Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A34 and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. Now to get started you will need to have a computer and a cable for it so we can connect our device to the PC. Once you have that good to go, you can automatically plug it in, and from there you want to navigate to the boot options right here and then select restart. Once the device turns off, meaning once this disappears, hold power key and volume up. When you see the Galaxy logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And then once you see the recovery mode, you can let go of the volume up as well. Additionally, we can unplug the device because it was only needed to get us into this mode. Once we're in here, we will need to use volume buttons to navigate through the options in order to select wipe cache partition, and once it's selected, confirm it with power button and select yes. Once it's finished, reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once again and this will initiate a reboot and take us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.